a C4 to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1986 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual miles, 61,385 showing on the odometer. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter TPI engine paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the nose of this car. Not full of nicks, chips, scratches, few little touch-up spots. That's to be expected. So paint shows well on it. I believe this would have been considered bright red back in '86. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Aftermarket chrome wheel, like a little later model Corvette wheel is what it appears to be simulating. Technician noted brakes, 80% or better at all four corners. Stated AC blows very cold. Of course, these would have a manual top. This one's black vinyl. Red leather interior. We will put the top up a little later on in the video. Show you the condition of it, how it folds up and down. Jason's also going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. FYI, the silver stripes are painted, appear to be cleared over. Once again, you can see paint shows well on this one. And '86, I believe the first year of the Corvette Convertible after being discontinued in what, 1975? If you like Corvettes, no matter what series, whether it's a C4, C1, C8, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. In the last couple days, I've done a C1, a C2, now a C4. When the videos are uploaded, and they're uploaded daily, these vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether it be off our website or right off our showroom floor. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. Get a shot at the door panel for you. Of course, this is going to have your more modern amenities that you're going to have on a later model Corvette, as far as power windows, power locks, mirrors, driver's seat over here. Also power, and you can look at the leather condition. You're going to have some wrinkling from the natural hide of leather, kind of what you'd expect with this year in miles. And again, clean Carfax. Let's go ahead and check out those exact miles. We're going to start it up, let you hear the engine run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood, but first let's check out this dash. All right, so oil pressure, volts, trip odometer. Here's your exact miles, 61,385. You can see tack working, the backlighting, good shape. Of course, you could switch to metric and English here, and then exactly how you wanted to go to coolant temp. 125 on the coolant temp, back to volts, oil temp, oil pressure, low oil temp. It's not low oil pressure, it's low oil temp, and oil pressure. So when you can change it to range, odometer, aftermarket Kenwood. That is working. Looks like it has Bluetooth capabilities, so more modern stereo. Dash looks good. About headlights. There we go. Headlights working. No gears clicking. Power antenna went up. Power antenna is working. Let's take a listen. Sounds good. Got a nice little throaty exhaust note. Let me pause this a second so we can pop this hood. Check out that 5.7 liter. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. Nice and clean and tidy underneath there. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. That 5.7 liter TPI is paired up with an automatic with overdrive. A little different. Looks like throttle body, BBK. Good looking engine bay. Let's go ahead and get this convertible top up. Check that out. And like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Let me get the hood closed up and show you how that convertible top folds up. And check out the condition of that. And here's the condition of it, folded up. And as you can see, easy to fold up and out of the storage compartment. So, vinyl. Looks like it's a newer top. Nice condition. As you can see, rolled up the side glass also, so you can see how that fits. Back window, nice and clear. Very nice fit. Tight top. Not noticing any rips, tears, holes. Needed to keep you dry or out of the elements. Going to serve the purpose just fine. Looking for a C4 convertible? Good looking car, 1986 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Remember, clean Carfax, actual miles, no accidents indicated. Call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Remember, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. I'll show you that top getting folded back down in the storage compartment too. Basically just the reverse of how I put it up. And we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 19 1986 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. And we do have the top down today. This is an automatic right here on the center console. This is the Corvette of the year that Corvette paced the Indy 500. Excellent handling Corvette. Quick throttle response, tight in the corners. We have an all-digital dash, which is just a beautiful tribute to the 80s when digital was taken off. If there's any flickering in that dash, and if you can see it, that's just our camera's frame rate, not the dash itself. Everything in front of the steering wheel appears to be working well. Our coolant temperature reading out at 176 precisely, digitally. Oil pressure 64. The tachometer and speedometer working as they should. Kenwood stereo in the dash.
Or just stop by any Hy-Vee pharmacy whenever.
Sounds very good, nice and clear. AC's blowing cold in this car. Even though we have a top down, the AC's just nice. Comfortable red leather bucket seats. That red interior it's like a nice dark red. It looks good. And the steering wheel appears to be custom wrapped in leather to match. And that also is nice on the hands, a little bit bigger grip. As I was saying, corner's excellent. The kickdown works on an automatic transmission. This one with some nice silver racing stripes and a spoiler. Great looking, great driving Corvette. Cruise control also working. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.